Jai Hind children, welcome in your computer class. In today's class we will complete chapter number 8. Okay, so that we are having two more chapters. One will come in your annual and another is only for the theory part, only for explanation part. So in this chapter what we have done some codings based on CSS, cascading style sheet. We have done some inline codings also, and how to insert the various text and how to give them shades, how to set the properties. This we have done. Now in today's coding part, what we will do children, we will set the font properties, the text which you are writing. Like if I have written subject computer and chapter number 8 more on CSS, and you want to change this font style, you think that it's not good for you, or you can make it more attractive, so you can change its style. So how you can change it in your web page, how the style can be changed in the web page using CSS, this we are doing in this particular session. So for that we use font family. I am having book children, so you just open your book, and then each and everything will be clear to you, that how to use the font family and then how to give its value. Different values are there: cursive, then monospace, then fantasy, the various styles are there. Then how to increase its size. If you want that text should be of bigger size or smaller size, then how you can set. Okay, from the whole web page you need some line to be more bigger than the other line. So for that we need font size. Then font style children, italic or in normal we use this. And then what are the different margin properties children. What is the margin children? The space from the boundary. Like this board is having some margin. See, you can see there is some wall. You can treat it as margin for me, for the board area. So how to set the margin from top, from left, from right, and from the bottom. We need some margin so that our web page look more attractive, or we don't need that margin. So whatever the criteria is there, how to set, we are going to do it today. And then border properties, we will set the borders color, border style. These all things we will do it today. Okay, so let's quickly move to the coding area. Now children, let's see my screen. We will click on start to search for notepad, or we will click on search box and we can type notepad. Okay, after typing notepad you can see the icon. Click on this to open the notepad file. Why children? So that we can use the different tags, different elements, different values to create web page. So let's start the basic code. HTML. Then after HTML we will write what children? We will write the head. Next part is head. So see this. Now once head is over, we can write the title. So title, and in that we will use what we will use today? Font tags. So I am writing use of font tag. Use of font tag. Okay, and then close it by using title children, not font, by using title. Okay, after that title is closed. Now we will write the style. STYLE, style, and then style type. Wait. Okay, I am using the small tag. Capital, small, nothing. You can type anything. Okay, it not hamper your code. Style type is equal to text / CSS. Clear? And then close it in this way. In that we will use body background color. What we will use? We will use body, and then curly braces start children. Remember this? Okay. So background, body background, and then put a dash, color, COLOR only. Okay. And to give the value, we will put colon sign, and after that we will give the color name. So what will be the color name? Let's take color name as yellow. Okay. And now close it by closing braces. After this, style tag will be closed. Style, STYLE, style tag is now closed. Okay, I have used a different one. Use this angular bracket, this one, children. Now after closing the style, we will close the head portion. We will close the head portion by using /head, by using /head tag. Now let's start the body, and there in the body tag I am going to write some paragraph. I am going to write some paragraph so that we can use those paragraphs to set the font styles. Okay, we want to change the font size, style, each and everything we will do from here, color also. So now let's see. I am going to write in a bracket P. P means for paragraph, P style. Okay, wait, first of all let's write down the paragraph. What is the paragraph? Paragraph is that I like, it will be capital, so I like my subjects. I like my subjects and always wants to clear the concepts. Always want to clear the concept. Next, my main, I like all my subject लिख सकते हैं बेटा. My favorite subject is maths, and I like computer also. I like computer. Then after this you can write anything, or my favorite subject is mathematics. My favorite subject is mathematics. ऐसे लिख लीजिए. And then I am having a keen interest in computer. I am having knowledge of computer. I am having knowledge of computer. So in this way we can create some paragraphs. Now this is one paragraph and it will be closed by /p. How it will be closed? It will be closed by /p. Okay. Now after this, children, I am closing this so that I can show you how we can apply the font. So for that we will close the body tag. Close body tag and then close the HTML tag also, so that now this is your perfect web page in which you have inserted various tags. Now after this P tag, I am going to write some style. So if you will see this particular page, how it will appears, let's see. Save as. I am saving it on the desktop and with the name of font.html. Okay, it will be font.html and then save it. Now let's see how it appears. See this. If you will see the web page, see the color is this, and we have not given the break command. That's why there is no space, there is no two lines. Now if you will see this one, and now write down break. What break tag. This is the BR break tag. After inserting this, it means that whatever you will write after this, it will appear in the next line. So first of all, save it. Control S से save कीजिए और click on file to save it, and then we will go to our page, and now you can see now the lines are 2 lines. But children, it is very small, isn't it? So can we increase the size? Can we increase the size, children? Yes, we can increase the size. So first of all, I am using P style. After paragraph tag, this is P paragraph tag, you just use style. Give a space and then STYLE. P styling. Paragraph style is equal to, we will write font size. What we will write? Font size. And in between font and size, put a dash. Font size is what, children? What will be the font size? So it will be X large, double X large, or it is smaller, or it is large, or larger. So values are given on page number 113. If you will see that, then you can able to see that what are the values for font size. Font size में आपको क्या लिखना है, कॉलन के बाद आपको कौन सी वैल्यू देनी है, that you will see on page number 113. XX large, X large, large, medium, small is also there, percentage is also there. So it depends on you. ठीक है? So we have to make it big. So why we will go for smaller? We will go for large. So I am going to write XX large. बहुत बड़ा वैल्यू चाहिए. ठीक है? So write down XX and then double X हो गया बेटा. After that dash लगाइए and then large. XX large. Am I clear? And then put a quotes. Now Control S से save. Alt tab and then F5. See this? Now the text is bigger in size. Now the text is in bigger in size. Why it is applied in both the sentences? Because we have used it in P. We have used in paragraph. So wherever the value of paragraph is there, it will apply for all the contents. See, P is started here and P is closed here. So in between P and /P, wherever whatever text you will write, it will apply in that. Now I'm going to copy paste it, children, because I have to show what are the different paragraph font style. So I'm going to copy it. Let me use break so that it will give you some space. Break and then paste it. Okay. So now I have written this. I like my subjects. and always wants to clear the concept. ठीक है. I like my school. I like my school लिख देते हैं बेटा यहाँ पे. I like my school. I like my school and I want to rejoin the school in this way also, or leave it. I like my school. इतना ठीक है. My favorite subject is now history. Okay, my favorite subject is history, and I am having knowledge of computer. So I am having knowledge of, कुछ और लिख देते हैं. I am having knowledge of English लिख देते हैं. ठीक है. English. What is the English? English. So now I have changed the text, and now font size, and now let's see the font style. Earlier it was XX large. In this one we have used the size as XX large. Now I am using X large only. Now save this file. Click on file and save, and then see the change. See children, see the difference in size. it is of XX large and it is of X large only. Now let's see the third one. If we will use only large, font size is what? Large, only large, children. So just erase this. Now see how much will be the change. Control S से save कीजिए, Alt tab and F5 से refresh. See, now it is smaller as compared to X large. लार्ज क्या है? X लार्ज से और छोटा हो गया. सबसे बड़ा फॉन्ट साइज क्या था हमारे पास? XX large. Now let's move to the next part. Now after large we can use small also. Can we use? Yes, we can use small also. तो small में देखते हैं बेटा. What will be the size small? Control S से save, Alt tab and F5 से refresh. It is very very small. See, अगर आपको कोई टेक्स्ट अगर वेब पेज पे ऐसे लिखना है, लाइक जनरली वॉट एवर द रूल्स आर देयर ना, एग्रीमेंट्स, the company used to write it in a very small letters, isn't it? And a big box will always be there. I accept, है ना, I accept का रहता है वहाँ पे. So generally all the rules and regulation of any company, or if you are installing any software or any app, the text were very small. So what you can use, how you will write it on that web page? So you can use small. I think the font size is clear to you. So I am changing this, children. It's not looking nice. So I am using X large. Control C and then I am erasing small and paste it. So now Control S से save. So one thing is clear. After font size, now let's use some different one more tag, that is font. It will be family, font family. So put a colon, semicolon. क्या लगाएंगे आप? Semicolon. Now I am using another attribute. Font size is over now. We have done font size, ये over हो गया. Now we will use one more, that is font family. Let's see the change. Font dash family. Font family and give the value. So colon sign लगेगा. I am writing monotype cursiva. What is this, children? This is a different text of, means a lot of text styles are there. Okay, if you want to write the text in curly writings or in a straight way or in a tilted way, there are various font styles. So for that we will use font family. फॉन्ट में बहुत सारी तरह की फॉन्ट्स अवेलेबल है. फैमिली उसका नाम दे दिया यहाँ पे, फॉन्ट फैमिली. वन इज मोनोटाइप कर्सिवा. So let's see how it will change. Where it will change, children? It will change in this particular text only, not in history one. Okay, I like my school, इसमें change नहीं होगा. It will affect, it will be changed only on these two lines. So put Control S, Alt tab and F5. See this? I think it's look nice, isn't it? I like my subjects. And always wants to clear the concepts. So this is a font, different font style. If you want to write anything else, you can use, like let's copy and paste it. Control C. Then we will use here, we will put a semicolon, and I'm pasting it. So font family is now not monotype cursiva. For the second paragraph, let's take it as impact. Let's take it as impact. So impact, let's take it as impact and Control S से save कीजिए, Alt tab F5. See this? Now you can see the text style. For this it is monotype cursiva, for this it is impact. ये impact का font style है. So in this way you can have changes in your web pages. Next is one more is font style. Font style and the value is normal, italic and oblique. फॉन्ट स्टाइल आपको अगर इटैलिक करना है, लाइक इसी में कर लेते हैं बेटा, सेमीकोलन फॉन्ट डैश स्टाइल, STYLE फॉन्ट स्टाइल. हम फॉन्ट स्टाइल क्या देंगे? नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू गिव फॉन्ट स्टाइल एज इटैलिक. सो कॉलन, वैल्यू देने के लिए कॉलन इटैलिक, इटैलिक ओनली इटैलिक. सो ये है फॉन्ट स्टाइल. दिस इज द नेम ऑफ द एट्रीब्यूट एंड वी विल पुट अ कॉलन साइन एंड देन वी विल गिव द वैल्यू. वैल्यू क्या दिया हमने? इटैलिक. वी कैन गिव नॉर्मल, वी कैन गिव ऑब्लिक ऑल्सो. सो आई हैव गिवन इटैलिक. लेट्स सी हाउ इट अपीयर्स. सो कंट्रोल एस से सेव एंड देन ऑल टैब और फिर यहाँ पे गए F5. सी दिस, इट इज नाउ इन इटैलिक, इट इज नाउ इन इटैलिक. ओके, वेयर वी हैव गिवन हियर फॉन्ट स्टाइल क्या होगा? Italic. Font style is italic. See, in this paragraph I have given 3 things. Font size, उसकी वैल्यू है x large. Then separated by semicolon. Font family, उसकी वैल्यू है impact. Then semicolon, one more attribute, font style, and its value is italic. Now in place of italic we can give normal also, we can give oblique also. See oblique, OBLIQUE. ओके, स्पेलिंग शुड बी करेक्ट बेटा. कंट्रोल एस से सेव करेंगे, ऑल टैब एंड F5 से रिफ्रेश. लेट्स सी ऑब्लिक, OBLIQUE. Yes, it is. So it has done. Now it is done, children. So in this way we can use the font style. Okay, and we can give the font value also. कितना पिक्सल आप उसका बढ़ा सकते हैं. So everything is given on page number 114. You can see the different styles, different sizes, and apply it and see the magic, children. You can make your web page more attractive by using it. Then let's see the margin. For writing margin, if you will see page number 115, for writing the margin you have to use margin. First is top value, second is right value, then third is bottom, and fourth is left. This will be the order will be as it is, children. It will not be changed. Okay, first whatever value you will give in the margin, the value will be top margin, then right, then bottom, and then left. Okay, so you can use the margin also. Margin properties are used to set the margin. Top में कितनी जगह छोड़नी है आपको, है ना? The space, the amount of free space from the top, from the bottom, so you can use it. Margin, clear? Where margin side is equal to the value. Now let's see the next one. It is border. What is it, children? Border property. Now border property, if you will use margin, it will be applied on the web page. But if you will use border, so we can use the border to give style, to give border color. We can use the border width also. So where we will apply these? We can apply it on the text also, like same here. Let's see it. It is paragraph. Now I am giving the border also. Let's give the border. पहले border करते हैं, ठीक है? border color देते हैं पहले इसमें. Let's do it. So after this monotype cursiva, put a semicolon after this. यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया? मोनोटाइप कर्सिवा के बाद एक कॉलन लगा दिया, बिकॉज आई एम गिविंग एन न्यू एट्रीब्यूट टू इट. एक और एट्रीब्यूट हम डालने जा रहे हैं एंड दैट इज बॉर्डर कलर. पहले तो बॉर्डर भी देंगे तो बॉर्डर अपने आप आ जाएगा, बॉर्डर स्टाइल आएगा पहले, है ना? तो बॉर्डर BORDER बॉर्डर स्टाइल पहले दे देते हैं बेटा, STYLE बॉर्डर स्टाइल, एंड देन इन अ कॉलन। बॉर्डर स्टाइल दे देते हैं हमें, डैश हो सकता है, डॉटेड भी हो सकता है। बॉर्डर स्टाइल आपका बहुत सारा है, देयर आर वेरियस बॉर्डर स्टाइल्स, इट इज़ देयर इन योर बुक। ओके, बॉर्डर स्टाइल आप अलग अलग बॉर्डर स्टाइल दे सकते हैं, हिडन भी दे सकते हैं, डैश्ड सॉलिड भी दे सकते हैं, डबल भी है। सो लेट्स यूज द ग्रूव। ग्रूव दे या डैश दे, डैश देते हैं बेटा। बॉर्डर स्टाइल इज डैश्ड, DASHED, DASHED। बॉर्डर स्टाइल डैश्ड हो गया। नाउ पुट अ सेमी कॉलन एंड इट्स कलर भी देते हैं, BORDER, बॉर्डर कलर, COLOR। कलर हम दे रहे हैं ब्लू, ब्लू। बॉर्डर का कलर क्या हो, ब्लू। लेट्स सी दिस, पहले इसको देखते हैं फिर हम चेंज करेंगे। सेव कर दिया है हमने और F5 से रिफ्रेश। इट इज़ नॉट अपीयरिंग हेयर, समथिंग इज मिसिंग, कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया बेटा। लेट्स सी वेयर इट हैज़ मिस्ड, वी हैव मिस्ड समथिंग। ओके, ऑब्लिक के बाद से नहीं हो रहा है ना, ऑब्लिक, आई लाइक माई फेवरेट स्कूल, देन /P, हेयर P/head, लेट्स डू इट फ्रॉम हेयर। सेव करते हैं एंड देन रिफ्रेश इट। ऑर्डर नहीं आया। okay, let's see it, let's do it here. So we have to declare the border property, border style property before the border width, border color property, because border देने के लिए तो हमको ज़रूरी है कि border दें, ठीक है। तो border को देने के लिए let's do it one thing, पहले ये सब हटा देते हैं। वैसे this you can use, it's not necessary that you can erase this, but I'm changing something, I'm changing this, इसको हम हटा देते हैं पहले। ओके, लेट्स डू इट। बॉर्डर स्टाइल, अच्छा यहाँ पे स्टाइल ही नहीं है, ये गलत हो गया, इसीलिए बॉर्डर आया नहीं, ठीक है। STY छूट गया बेटा यहाँ पे, STYLE स्टाइल। Ctrl+Z करते हैं, पहले तो हम मोनोटाइप कुर्सी वाले आए, नहीं आएगा, चलो कोई नहीं। बॉर्डर स्टाइल एंड देन सेव इट, सेव। सी, एक लेटर छूटने पे बॉर्डर नहीं आया, कैन यू सी दिस। पहले बॉर्डर स्टाइल Y नहीं लिखा था। Ctrl+S से सेव हो गया बेटा, ठीक है। और सेव इट फ्रॉम हेयर एंड देन F5, ये देखो, सी द बॉर्डर, ये बॉर्डर आ गया। और कैसा बॉर्डर है, डैश्ड। कैसा बॉर्डर है बेटा, डैश्ड। इट्स स्टाइल इज डैश्ड एंड बॉर्डर कलर इज ब्लू। नाउ यू कैन चेंज, डैश्ड की जगह अब दूसरा ले लेते हैं। डैश्ड की जगह हमने डॉटेड ले सकते हो, या फिर डैश्ड की जगह ग्रूव ले सकते हो, ग्रूव, GROOVE, ग्रूव। डैश्ड की जगह क्या लिया, ग्रूव, ठीक है। और बॉर्डर का कलर चेंज कर सकते हैं, बॉर्डर का कलर रेड ले लेते हैं, रेड। सो Ctrl+S से Alt+Tab F5, कैन यू सी द बॉर्डर स्टाइल इज नाउ चेंज्ड। बॉर्डर आया, पूरे पैराग्राफ पे आया, ठीक है। एंड इफ यू वांट टू एक्सटेंड इट, यू शुड नॉट क्लोज द पैराग्राफ। अगर आपको पूरे पे करना है तो बॉडी पे लगाना होगा, बॉडी में बैकग्राउंड लगाइए, बॉर्डर लगाइए। इन द बॉडी टैग यूज द border tag. Then you can use one more thing, that is इसकी width कितनी हो, border width. Let's see the border width. So इसी में हम यूज़ करते हैं red के बाद semicolon. Okay, यहाँ पे let's see here, यहाँ पे put a semicolon to insert one more attribute and then यहाँ पे लिखिए बेटा border BORDER border, what बेटा, बॉर्डर विड्थ, डैश विड्थ, WIDTH। बॉर्डर की विड्थ हमको रखनी है, तो बॉर्डर विड्थ क्या हो, थिक, THICK। बॉर्डर विड्थ क्या हो, थिक। Ctrl+S से सेव, Alt+Tab से गए और यहाँ F5 से रिफ्रेश। सी, बॉर्डर विड्थ थिक हो गई। नाउ द बॉर्डर विड्थ इज नाउ थिक, ठीक है। इट्स बॉर्डर इज नाउ थिक इन कलर। थिन भी दे सकते हैं, मीडियम भी दे सकते हैं, एंड यू कैन सेट द पिक्सल ऑल्सो, यू कैन सेट द पिक्सल ऑल्सो, और ज़्यादा पिक्सल्स आपको चाहिए तो आप पिक्सल सेट कर सकते हो। सी, जैसे कि इसमें भी आप पिक्सल सेट कर सकते हो। फॉन्ट साइज एक्स लार्ज है ना, इसकी जगह आप पिक्सल भी सेट कर सकते हो। जैसे कि अगर हमने दिया 40, हमने दिया 40px, क्या दिया बेटा 40px, कंट्रोल एस से सेव, ऑल टैब F5। सी, इससे भी बड़ी आ गई है। तो जब आप और बड़ी फॉन्ट साइज चाहते हो तो आप पिक्सल का यूज़ करो, जैसे कि यहाँ पे यूज़ किया पिक्सल, ठीक, इस तरह से। बट इफ़ यू आर यूजिंग, इसको हटा देते हैं, इट्स नॉट लुकिंग नाइस, कंट्रोल एस से सेव हो गया। बट इफ़ यू आर यूजिंग द बॉर्डर, यू कैन इंक्रीज इट, बॉर्डर स्टाइल को और इंक्रीज कर लो। सो इट्स इन योर हैंड, what is the style of border, what is the color of border, how it will appear, it is all in your hand which you can use. So I hope the session is clear to you. You are able to design such beautiful web pages by your own. So please create it and enjoy it. Okay children, I hope the coding part is clear to you. Now the chapter is completed by today, so I am uploading the question answers. You can see it from the app and then you just do it, children. If there is any problem, you can ask me in the either in our Zoom class or through the session, query session. Okay, till then, take care of yourself.